Hello, it's me again. When I was adding on this one, I missed joining up one particular bit. So because this is my final piece, I thought best show you. So I joined up those pieces there, but I forgot to join up this one here. So this joins up into the middle bit there. There we go. And, oh, you can't see what I'm doing. I'm just adding on these bits to the very edge. There. And where is my little red button? Little red button. Oh, I can't believe this is my final piece I'm putting into place. There we go. And there we go. Okay, let's see if I can actually go and get it laid out. Hopefully you're going to be able to see all of this. Sorry, I'm outside, so excuse any of the noises. There you go, look. Don't know if I can get the whole line.